moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things.
Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm Autumn and this is where we whine and DIY. This is my first DIY since we moved into the house, so I'm really excited to get this one started. But first, we're gonna have a glass of wine. I actually have a bottle of rosé here that looks slightly empty because I opened it a couple days ago because it's been hot and I've been hanging out by the pool and been having a glass of wine. This was my first bottle of rosé that I got from Scotland Cellar. Usually I like a Riesling, but this time I really wanted to try a rosé, and I did, and I love it. It has like these hints of strawberry and peach, and this just cool, refreshing deliciousness that you need on a hot day. So let's go ahead and pour this last glass. So like I said in my last video, today we're gonna make a jewelry holder. I love different kind of fandom jewelries, from Harry Potter to Disney things, and even some Star Wars stuff. But I need something for that stuff to be displayed on. So I wanted to DIY a cute little jewelry holder. I got a lot of inspiration from Pinterest. And if you haven't checked out my Pinterest board, I'll put the link down in the description below for you. So let's get gluing. Just like some of my other videos, I got a lot of my supplies at the Dollar Tree. So today we're gonna be using this wire trash can. Yep, or basket. We're gonna be using this wire basket. We're gonna use 2 of these canvases. I picked out a pretty paint color that I wanna paint this with. And we're gonna be using some of these little command hooks, I guess, that is gonna display my necklaces. First things first, we are gonna remove the canvases from the boards. Okie dokie, so the last step to this is I'm going to put on some of these adhesive hooks here at the bottom to hang my necklaces. Now that I have these hooks on there, I'm gonna go hang this in my closet using these picture hanging strips. guys enjoyed this fun little DIY. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when I make more videos. If you're wanting to try the wine that I showed in this video, then click right up here. And if you're hoping to watch another DIY, then click right down here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!